أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن المتقين في جنات ونهر في مقعد صدق عند مليك مقتدر اللهم اجعلنا من المتقين واجعلنا من أهل القرآن الذين هم لا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. نشكر إخواننا في مصباح أكاديمي على جهودهم في خدمة كتابه عز وجل، ونسأل الله لهم التوفيق والسداد وأن يجعلهم هداة مهتدين غير ضالين ولا مضلين، إنه ولي ذلك والقادر عليه. أخوكم صالح بن عيسى، المدينة المنورة.
Learning the Quran is indeed noble. The Quran itself is a revelation from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Through learning more about the Quran, you are learning more about your Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And by reading the Quran, by learning more about the Quran, we will be rewarded in the hereafter and will be granted happiness in this world. The benefits of learning the Quran are unlimited. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned in Surah Al-Alaq from verse 1 to 5, اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم, which means read in the name of your Creator. He has created man from a clod. Read, and your Lord is the most generous, who has taught you writing by pen. He has taught man which he knew not. It has been narrated by Osman that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ mentioned, amongst the best of you are those who learn and teach the Quran. So this hadith itself shows that the best amongst us are those that is associated with the Quran, including learning it and also conveying it to others. Al-Misbah Academy is offering you the certificate in Quranic studies, a 3-tier program which focuses on the Quranic recitation, Quranic studies, and also the Quranic sciences throughout the 3 years. It will start off with the basics, so do not worry if you do not have the basics to start off from, which includes learning and perfecting the pronunciation of the Arabic alphabet, Tajweed, memorization, tafsir of selected surahs, Quranic Arabic, and many more. Log on to our website now at www.almisbahacademy.com/CIQS. Come and join us as we tread together through the learning journey of the Quran, and we do it for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.